Been in 3B for 7 months. Never paid. Never spoke. So, I knocked.
Shoulda never knocked.
Smelling like hot dog water and regret in here. 3B, gotta go.
Y'all trying to evict me? I built this block. He been watching us longer than we watched him. Tell your mama I said thanks for the Netflix.
Bro just wanted his Amazon package.
I ain't signing up for no cryptid cleanup.
This ain't no Wi-Fi issue. Oh nah, he back for hot Cheetos.
They sent animal control. Animal control left their shoes.
Now I'm the landlord. Rent's canceled.